Hey guys, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I style my lace frontals. This wig is literally freshly made. I did show you guys how I made this wig, like step by step. I will link it in the cards as well as the description box in case you are interested. This hair is from Laki hair, and all I've done is like literally brush through it. I haven't washed it yet. I'm gonna wash it in a sec, but I wanted to show you guys the hair in its natural state. So as you can see, it is a little bit frizzy. It is body wave hair, so it does have a little bit of body and volume to it, which is gorgeous. So I'm just gonna wash it and literally style it for you guys. So I'm gonna go quickly and wash this hair, and then I'll come back. It's so hot today, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm just in my gym bra because sweating. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash this hair quickly, and then I'll come back so we can apply the lace frontal, and then I'm gonna go away, do my makeup. But yeah, we'll see, we'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm back. So the wig is now washed, and I'm gonna go in and blow dry the inside of the wig so that my head doesn't get wet. I'm also gonna blow dry the hair a little bit so it's not dripping wet, but it's still gonna be wet when I apply it to my head, because I like to customize my frontal while it's wet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna quickly blow dry it till it gets semi-dry but not 100% dry. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, the wig is still a little bit wet, but it's not dripping wet anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the frontal to make it match my skin tone. So I'm taking the Ordinary Coverage foundation, which looks like this. I'm gonna pump some onto my brush and then just brush it into the frontal. So what I'm gonna do first is kind of find out where I want my parting to go, and I do like my parting on this side, so I'm gonna leave it relatively close to where it already is, but I'm just gonna make sure it is an even part. But at least the frontal's not super packed full with hair where you have to pluck like a lot of hair out. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna brush all of the hair backwards so we can put this glue on. It's not really glue, it's like a freeze spray and a spiking gel. It's the Got To Be Ultra Glued styling gel, which looks like this, and then I top it with a little bit of the Blasting Freeze spray. I haven't used this one in a while. I usually use the yellow one, but today I thought I'd go for something different. Plus this one is like see-through, so I want to see if this one works just as good. So what you want to do first, this looks really nice guys, like the frontal of this, it looks like it could almost be a glueless wig, but I would just be scared of the sides like flapping up if the wind decided to blow. So what I'm gonna do is secure it. So you want to bend back the front of the wig like so, and then you want to take your glue, the Got To Be whichever one you're using, and you just want to do a layer of that at the front of your head. Now it is best to do this when you have no makeup or anything. I've literally just got out of the shower as well, so I've got nothing on my face. It just makes it hold it a bit better than if you had like makeup and all of that. Plus you don't want the glue messing with your makeup. So yeah, it's just better to do it with no makeup on, but sometimes I do it with makeup on, but it's better to do it without. And then I'm also going to take the Blasting Freeze spray because I want extra hold, and I'm just going to spray that onto the same section that I put the glue. So I'm just going to take the hairdryer and like dry this a little bit, but not 100% dry, just so it becomes a little bit tacky. And then you just flip the frontal right onto where you put the glue, like that, and then you just press it down. Now what I'm gonna do is take an old pair of tights, and I'm just gonna literally secure the frontal. Okay, now that the tights are on, that is literally how I secure my frontal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, do my makeup, and then I'll come back so we can begin styling the hair and all of that fun stuff. Okay guys, and I'm back. So as you can see, my face is now complete. We are slayed, girl. I did a full face testing video, so this makeup look will be on my channel very soon, or before this. I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna upload first, but let's go ahead, take these tights off my head because it's giving me a headache. Okay, so once you take the tights off, this is what the frontal looks like. Now what you might find is that some parts have not completely stuck down, so you want to, you know, check that every bit is stuck down. You see, like right there, I've got a little part lifting. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my glue, which has gone where? I've got makeup everywhere, guys. If only you could see my table, it's a mess right now. So now what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of baby hairs using the Got To Be Blasting Freeze spray onto my old ass toothbrush. And I'm just gonna do a couple, you know, swoops of baby hairs, nothing too much. Okay guys, so my camera keeps overheating, and while I was off camera I decided to try like a half up half down style, and now I think that's how I want to wear the hair. So what I'm gonna do is ponytail this half of the hair up. Okay guys, so that is the hair half up half down. I want to add a little bit of curls to it, so I'm gonna turn on my curler right now. So I'm literally just gonna take like big pieces and throw curls into it. I'm not doing little curls because I don't have time today.
I didn't know what to say. I saw you coming around my way. I thought I'd never find somebody who'd ever make me feel this way. But I was wrong to think I'd never find someone like you. I was wrong to think that true love isn't true. Because you give me that good love, you know what I want. Good love, you rock my world. Can you give me that good love, you know what I want. Good love, you rock my world. Can you give me that?
Okay guys, so now we are all curled up. What I'm gonna do is take this hairspray, which is from Superdrug, and it's called the Ultra Firm Hold number 5. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the strongest hold, number 5. And I'm just gonna spray the hair. And also what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of Keep It Curly Stretch and Set styling foam. It's just styling foam, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and like put it right at the front of my hair. And then last but not least, taking a dab of oil. This is Indian Amala oil. I'm just gonna take the smallest amount. You do not need a lot of oil on this type of hair. Sometimes I'll be watching a hair video and I'll see someone pour like a lot of oil as if they're putting it in afro hair. This type of hair does not need as much oil as afro hair does. So just put a tiny amount and then just run it through the hair, just to give it that shine and take down some of the frizz. I really wanna do this pony again. See, that is so much better. And then the last step for me is to add my hoop earrings. I absolutely love wearing hoops. Okay guys, so that is the finished look of this quick hair tutorial, half up, half down. I wasn't planning on doing half up, half down, but it looks cute, and yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So once again, this hair is from Laki Hair. All of the links will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next